Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Easy remedies to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp naturally. Dandruff isn't necessarily a winter thing. Agreed, it worsens in winter due to the chilly winds further drying up your scalp, making it itch, scale and flake, but most people suffer dandruff through the year. Come summer and the scalp still stays dry and itchy, flaking over the clothes you wear rather unwittingly, and in the process making you lose hair. Even worse, when you brush your hair you have dandruff all over your clothes. That ends with more hair loss after you wash it. There are several causes of dandruff as well, such as eczema, psoriasis, or the overgrowth of a common yeast-like fungus called Malassezia. The anti-dandruff shampoos that drugstores sell are loaded with antifungal agents of the likes of zinc pyridine, selenium sulfide, and ketoconazole, which are often harsh on the hair. Sure, they eliminate dandruff but only temporarily and often cause permanent damage to the scalp, also making your hair rough and frizzy in the process. Stop relying on such chemical-based shampoos and medication to get rid of dandruff. Here are some very easy DIY hacks to end your dandruff problem forever. These home remedies are 100% natural, and in only 1 week your hair will be healthy and dandruff-free. 1. Add tea tree oil to your shampoo. A recently conducted study showed that tea tree oil is beneficial in treating dandruff problem. To achieve this, add 2-3 drops of tea tree oil to your shampoo and then massage your scalp well before washing it. Repeat this ritual thrice a week for 1 month and your dandruff problem will be over. 2. Scrub your scalp with baking soda. This easily available kitchen ingredient is the greatest cure for all dandruff and itchy scalp problems. For this, take 3 teaspoons of baking soda and massage it vigorously onto your wet scalp. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse off with cool water. Avoid shampooing. On the flip side, you might experience dry hair the first few times, but gradually your hair will start producing its natural oils, making them soft and flake-free. Besides, baking soda fights the fungus causing dandruff. Do this twice a week for 3 weeks for best results. 3. Apple cider vinegar and water spray. A magical ingredient to cure dandruff? Apple cider vinegar, owing to its acidity, alters the pH balance of your scalp. This in return makes it difficult for the yeast to flourish. To make this recipe, you need to mix a 1/4 cup of water with a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray this generously on your scalp, particularly in the itchy areas. Now wrap your head with a towel or put a shower cap to allow it to dry for about 45 minutes to an hour. Rinse off your hair using a mild shampoo. Repeat this twice a week for 1 month, and your dandruff problem will be eliminated for good. 4. Wash your hair with your favorite mouthwash. A strong alcohol-based mouthwash is the perfect remedy to treat a severe case of dandruff. You need to first rinse your hair using a gentle shampoo and follow it up by rinsing your hair again with a mouthwash. Now condition your hair the usual way and towel dry. You can do this ritual thrice a week for 1 month and see the effects. The antifungal property of mouthwash stops the dandruff-causing yeast from reproducing. 5. Coconut oil therapy. This is the easiest and perhaps one of the most effective. Just before shampooing, massage 5 teaspoons of coconut oil into your scalp and allow it to seep in for an hour. Then shampoo and condition your hair. Use this treatment thrice a week for 2 weeks and your dandruff would have disappeared. 6. Wash your hair with lemon juice. Pick up a fresh lemon, squeeze 2 tablespoons of its juice and massage your scalp with it. Rinse it off with cool water. Further on, take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and stir it into a cup of water. Now rinse your hair with it. Again, Lemon's acidity too changes the pH balance of your scalp, making the conditions unfavorable for the dandruff-causing yeast to prosper. You can repeat this ritual daily for better results. 7. Salt scrub for your scalp. Take your salt shaker and sprinkle salt generously into your dandruff-ridden scalp, then massage your dry scalp thoroughly with the salt for about 5 minutes and rinse off with a mild shampoo. Salt's abrasive quality helps scrub out the dry flakes on your scalp, which the shampoo further clears off. In the course of the massage, all the dry, flaky skin will fall off. Do this twice a week for as long as a month to see benefits. 8. Aloe vera for an itchy scalp. Take the pulp out of aloe vera and massage your scalp thoroughly with it. Now rinse off using a gentle shampoo. Your itchy scalp problem will be over because of the cooling effects of the aloe vera. You can do this every time you wash your hair to address your dandruff problem. 9. Garlic honey hair mask to cure dandruff. Garlic has antifungal properties that are very effective in curing dandruff, but to avoid that potent stench of garlic on your hair, you can dilute it with a dash of honey and then massage it into your scalp. Take 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, crush it fine, then add a teaspoon of honey. Massage your scalp with it and leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing your hair with a mild shampoo. Do this twice a week for 3 weeks and you won't have any dandruff. 10. Olive oil soak for treating dandruff. Take 10 drops of olive oil and massage it thoroughly into your scalp, also going from root to tip. Do this before going to bed. Wear a shower cap when you sleep and let the olive oil seep in overnight. Rinse off with a mild shampoo the following morning. Do this thrice a week for 2 weeks and you won't complain of flaky scalp again. You have all these ingredients in your kitchen. Just rate it and get rid of your dandruff problem for life.